Hi everyone! In this video we are talking about cold wallets and how to securely store your tokens. The cold wallet that supports the Polkadot tokens and the Polkadot ecosystem, it's Ledger wallet. And it looks like the USB stick, but it's special device to securely store your private keys. Okay, let's install the special software to work with the Ledger, and I have here the Ledger Nano. Let's try it. We need a micro USB cable to connect the wallet to your computer, but initially we need to install the special software. You should visit the website ledger.com, where you will find all the necessary things. Okay, you need to choose the Ledger Live application and download the installation file. Okay. Launch it and just act as usual when installing something. Yes, I want to install this application. Let's go further. The installation process is finished. Run this application. Okay, the introduction window saying about release notes that you can check, and you will see that there is a lot of information about new tokens and some fixes. Just press continue. Okay, what do we do next? We need to connect the cold wallet with a USB to computer. When you're connecting the first time the cold wallet, there is a welcome message that you can install your device as a new device. Choose it. And the first action, you need to set up the PIN for your Nano Ledger. Just choose the numbers that should be here. Pressing the buttons left or right. All the navigation with the Ledger in this version made with the buttons, but the advanced versions of this cold wallet is possible to work with the Bluetooth connection and the special software with your computer. Much more comfortable. When you set the PIN, you confirm the first time to make sure that you are not forget the numbers. And the next step will be about setting up the seed phrase for your device, and from this seed phrase will be generated the addresses for many different blockchains. because this set of words will be used as the initial seed phrase for your wallets. Okay, let's make the setup the Ledger Nano S. As you can see here, presented the Ledger Nano S Plus and Ledger Nano X. It depends from what you have. We are launching the instruction here in the software on the computer. If you are starting with a new ledger, you should choose the setup a new Nano S, but if you already have the seed phrase from the previous launch, or you already have the connected ledger, please choose another option. We need initially to choose the setup a new ledger. Okay, here is the several windows with the information about the access to your crypto, how it's working, what information stored on the ledger, and so on. Let's just go through this instructional information. Your private keys on the ledger, you're staying offline, you're validating the transactions. Let's set up the new Ledger Nano. Okay, you need to plan at least 30 minutes to be alone in the room or in other place, because it will be about the secret phrase that possible to restore access to your data and your private keys. Be very careful. Okay, you definitely need to pen and paper, because you must to write the set of words that will be used to generate your private key. Okay, that's all. We are ready. Let's go. We need to turn on Nano Ledger and select on the screen the setup as a new device. I already did it. Here is the phrase your device will generate 24 words. This is your recovery phrase. This is only one way to back up your information from the ledger, and you can use it to restore the access to your wallets. Okay, press next. We set up the PIN code. I already did it. We choose the PIN code, confirm it. There is some advices how to provide the secure storing data on the ledger. Choose the PIN code by yourself. Nobody should see how you're entering in your ledger. You can change the PIN numbers if you're not sure that PIN was securely, and if you will enter 3 times wrong PIN code, you need to restore your device with the mnemonic phrase that we are writing right now. Okay, the PIN code shouldn't be simple. Never show someone your PIN code. Never repeat your PIN code as you're using the family access in other accounts. And never store your PIN code on the computer or the phone. Please keep it in the mind. Okay, we are understanding that the mnemonic phrase, it's only one way to restore the data and access to my crypto. We will need to write down 24 words. In this step, we are going to Ledger and starting to generate the recovery phrase, or mnemonic phrase, as used this term in other applications. I'm launching the process of the recovery phrase creation and starting to write down the all words what I see in the screen. Okay, we have finished write down the mnemonic phrase, and right now we need to repeat it. Confirm the mnemonic phrase. Okay, you need to choose from the 4 words the right one what you write down previously on the paper in the same row. After repeating, your recovery phrase is set, and we can continue with the software on your computer. Okay, get started. We did all the actions with the recovery phrase. There is again some recovery phrase advices, how to store it. Let's go further. And right now we have a short quiz to check what we know about the recovery phrase and the private keys that's stored on the ledger. Where is your crypto is stored? Your crypto always in the blockchain, because the tokens that generated inside blockchain and stored in the blockchain. Your wallet, it's a private key with a secret phrase that's needed to generate this private key. And your private keys on the device, but your crypto on the blockchain. Okay, if my recovery phrase is no longer secure or private, what should I do? There is 2 options. No problem, the ledger can send me a copy. Okay, that's not right. My crypto is no longer safe and I need to transfer them to a secure place. If you know that someone else knows your recovery phrase or take access to your crypto, create the new account, the new wallet with the new address, and transfer your crypto assets to another one wallet, to another one address. Okay, when I connect my Nano to the Ledger app, my private keys still offline, because keys used only to sign the transactions and sign some messages if you're working in the different blockchain, not in the Polkadot. Okay, we passed the quiz, finished the quiz, and we are ready to start to work with the Ledger. On the screen there is a message, allow Ledger Manager. Yes, allow Ledger Manager. And right now we are in the user interface that's contain the information about your portfolio, about your accounts, addresses, and so on. But there is the first step. Right now we need to go in account, and here you can see there is the couple accounts that I have created previously, but I want to show you what's option for account creation here. You actually can delete account or create account. Just let me remove already exists, because I don't have the private keys for those accounts, and I need to add account initially. Okay, we are working with two cryptos in the Polkadot ecosystem. And the first one, it's DOT token, and here is in Ledger application the option to work with the native DOT token in the ecosystem. Let's press continue. To work with some crypto, you need to upload the special application on the board of your Ledger device. And Ledger Nano S, it has small memory on the board, and there is not so much space for different applications. At least it's enough for the free applications for the different blockchain. For example, the first one will be the Polkadot, and after installation we can open the Polkadot application and add account. Done. Right now you see the account in your accounts list, and you can receive the dots. To generate the address for the dots, you press the receive button, and it gives you the full address for the Polkadot ecosystem. It's also shown on the screen, and you can see it on the Ledger screen. Pressing approve, that we saw this address, and right now we can use this address to in the work. Actually, you can generate another one and so on. Show it as a QR code. Done. Okay. That's a point. Right now we have account in the Polkadot ecosystem. The next one, we definitely need to check the option and create the account for the Kusama network. We are pressing the add account, choosing a crypto, and be careful, because Kusama tokens for the native Kusama ecosystem is not here. Here is the Kusama tokens that existing in the Binance chain. It's a different blockchain. It's not the Kusama or Polkadot ecosystem. It's a different blockchain provided by Binance company, and there is the technology that allow you to settle the new token from the different networks in this Binance chain, or you can create the analog of the token in the Binance chain and trade it as the real token. But you can't take access to Kusama from this account. It's another one blockchain. Okay, we are installing the application for the Kusama, but be careful again, it's a Binance chain. We are waiting for the synchronization of the Binance chain and our new account. Yep, and we done. Right now we are ready to receive some crypto to Binance account. As you can see, the address is not the Kusama like, not the Kusama type, and there is address Ethereum like, because Binance chain based on the Ethereum, and you can use this Ethereum like address to work with your crypto. Okay, pressing copy, we are verifying the address, pressing approve, done. As you can see inside the Ledger Live application, there is a lot of options. You can store your crypto, you can work with different services like OneInch, MoonPay, and so on. You can buy, sell the crypto, receive, send, and have the referral program for that, connect your card, and to work with your ledger. Just let's make the fast overview of the accounts again. In the second row you can see the labels like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain that inform you that this token using the blockchain Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain or another one blockchain like Polygon and so on. All the applications needs in some space on your wallet, and here is the space only for the free application in my case. But the next version allow you install more applications and work with the different crypto, not just the free types. Right now the cold wallet is one of the safest way to store your crypto. But if you're thinking about the development of the applications for the cryptocurrencies and the blockchain, it's not so comfortable to confirm the transactions every time with the cold wallet. That's why your crypto assets usually storing on the cold wallet, but for the development goals you're creating the new wallets that give you option to work the fast and not safe. That's why please don't store the big amount of tokens on your accounts that you're using in developing or you're using for trying the new blockchain. That's very important point.